everybody. Welcome back to Riverbend. I'm Amy Catcher. While the crowds get ready to see Dierks Bentley, who takes the stage tonight, the Coca-Cola stage at 9:30, did you know there's a way that your kids can actually learn a little bit of engineering and math? We're here tonight with all of the school projects funded by TVA and EPB, and we're going to start out talking some solar projects. This is Mr. Jerry Webb with Tyner Academy. Tell me about your display.
Well, this is a solar project sponsored by TVA. It's a portable solar generator built by Tyner Academy students as well as Chattanooga State students.
Wow. And that's going to be on display here tonight and Saturday?
And Saturday.
Fantastic. And you know what? That's not only it. Actually, I think the big highlight probably here tonight has been all of the robotics. Solar technology, that's something we need in the future, but honestly, the robots, they're more fun to play with, right? That's what I think anyways. Okay, I'm going to be talking with two instructors. Katie Hattrick is here from Battle Academy, and also Caleb Bagley from CGLA. All right, who wants to go first and tell me a little bit about what's going on? Katie?
Sure. Well, we have two programs at Battle that TVA sponsors, a junior FLL and an FLL league, and so our students get a chance to program their robots to complete certain missions, and this year they did a senior challenge to help benefit the lives of senior citizens. It was great.
Wow. Hey, and Caleb, those are all made out of Legos, right?
That's right.
How does that work?
It comes as a kit, and the students, they build, they engineer, and they come up with all of their different robot designs, and then they program them to do the tasks.
Wow. And you know, they were telling me the elementary school students, they start out with the Lego robots, but you gotta graduate, right? In a couple of years, you guys are going to be working on the big boys, right? All right, let's go check out some of the big boys. Okay, Ms. Lisa Dunn, here we go, walking a little bit further. David Moore doing a great job following me with that camera. Whoop, as I fall into the robot. This is Lisa Dunn from Saudi Daisy. Tell me about your robot.
This is our third year of doing FIRST Robotics. FIRST stands for the inspiration and recognition of science and technology. The robot is student built, student designed, and student programmed. So it's an after school program. We work on it a little bit in our computer aided drafting class for design. And then they come after school, put it together, machine all the parts, and test it out.
What does it do?
It shoots frisbees. It also runs defense, so it's both offensive in that it shoots frisbees, and it's a good defensive robot to keep other robots from scoring. We design a different robot every year.
Okay. And that's just one of the robots here on play. Thank you so much, Lisa Dunn. I saw, David, you were looking at the robot that's moving around here. So I'm going to find, here we go, walking over this way once again, David. Oh, you're awesome. This is Mr. Cody Hendricks, and he is from Scottsboro, Alabama. You're moving that robot, right? Tell me about it.
Scottsboro, Alabama.
Yes, is that where you're from?
No.
Okay, I apologize for that. I'm from Chattanooga. Okay, but the robot is from Scottsboro, right? Tell me a little bit about it.
Well, we built it from scratch. Every year on the first Saturday in January, we go to a college, the regional college, and they tell us what we have to do and all the requirements such as weight, size, and all that good stuff. And then we get 6 weeks to build it. Wow. They just give us a little kit of parts with some random stuff. Looks like they went to Radio Shack and raked it off the shelf, and we just build it, and that's what we got.
That's awesome.
Thank you.
And if you guys want to check it out, not only are they here tonight, but I mentioned earlier talking about the solar panels, the robotics display, TVA, EPB, they're back down here on Saturday night. So that's the report tonight live from Riverbend. John and Caitlin are going to be back in a moment just to wrap it all up.